Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, the CMA Institute finally released a notification of merging the June term examination with the December term examination and detailed uh, view on the foundation examination. Merging of so first notification is merging of intermediate and final examination 2020. The Institute of Cost Accounting of India announces the merging of June 2020 intermediate and final examination with the December 2020. So the institute has decided to cancel the rescheduled intermediate and final examination of June 2020 session to be held from 1st to 10th September 2020 due to the pandemic novel coronavirus COVID-19 to ensure that the interests of all the stakeholders and in particular the candidates and students are merged the June 2020 examination with the December 2020 examination with due carryover of all the relevant benefits already available to the student including fee payments and subject-wise exemption for the intermediate and final examination to be held in December 2020. So the intermediate and the final examination for the June 2020 session is finally measured and yes. And this good news is expected from the institute is finally released. Examination form is already submitted by the candidates and the student for the intermediate and final examination June 2020 sessions will remain the same for the intermediate and final examination to be held in the December 2020. So candidates and students need not to apply again. Candidates and the students who have submitted the examination form for the intermediate and final examination June 2020 sessions are allowed to add their group with the payment of differential examination fee for appearing in the intermediate and the final examination to be held in December 2020 so that you can add the group. Okay, if you are appearing for the one group, you can now add the second group also. The candidate student or the students who have not enrolled for the intermediate and final examination June 2020 session may enroll afresh by submitting online examination form for the December 2020 term of examination. And second notification is for the foundation examination. Institute of Cost Accounts of India announces online home-based foundation examination June 2020. The Institute of Cost Accounts of India has decided to conduct foundation examination of June 2020 in a home-based online mode due to the pandemic novel coronavirus to ensure that the interests of all the stakeholders and in particular the candidates or the student, all the candidates or the students are encouraged to appear the foundation examination of June 2020 through the online mode using the mobile, laptop or desktop or the tab from their home. So it is the first time in the history that ICAI conducts the foundation examination through the online mode. The foundation examination June 2020 home-based online mode rescheduled timetable and details are given. The details are like the day of the examination is 6 September 2020. Multiple choice question. First term is for the time 10 to 12 near first session is held and second session is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. with 200 marks 200 marks. Yes, paper 1 is of fundamental of economics and management 100 marks and paper 2 is fundamental of accounting, paper 3 is fundamental of law and ethics and fourth is fundamental of business mathematics and stats. The foundation examination, okay. Normally, each papers carry, as you know, each papers carry 100 marks in the foundation, 50 multiple choice questions. These sessions will be of total of 100 multiple choice question MCQs of 200 marks. All the candidates and students are encouraged to appear in the foundation examination through the online mode using a mobile or laptop or desktop or the tab, whatever you have. However, if any candidates or student is faced to appear in the home-based online examination, opt out of fee adjustment also will be done automatically for the next term of examination and no separate request is required. Candidates or the students are requested to appear in the foundation examination from their home only by logging within a time span given. Login credential and URL link is also given in due time. It may be noted that if any candidates or a student get disconnected, okay, because of net issues while taking the examination, they may be logging again also to finish the rest of the examination. A candidates or the student who is completing all the conditions for appearing in the examination as per the regulations will only be allowed to appear for the examination. So probably the date of publication of the result will be announced in a due course. So the candidates and the students are advised to keep regularly in touch with the website of their institute for their further notification or announcement relating to the foundation examination June 2020. And in the case of any query, they can email to the official email ID. Okay. So the most awaited notification is finally released by institute, and now just you have to study for the December term. Yeah. Thank you. And please, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you can never miss any other update from the CMA Institute.